Imagine standing on Mars, holding a radio, calling out to Earth.
You say hello, then wait in silence.
How long before Earth hears you?
Seconds. Not even minutes sometimes.
The delay reshapes everything about Mars exploration.
Communication in space moves at light speed. Radio signals are a form of light.
Light travels incredibly fast by human standards. About 186,000 miles per second.
Yet space is unimaginably vast. Even light needs time to cross it.
Mars is not a fixed distance away.
Earth and Mars constantly move.
Sometimes they're relatively close.
Sometimes they're far apart.
Distance changes communication time dramatically.
At closest approach, Mars is about 34 million miles away.
At farthest, more than 250 million miles. That difference means long delays. At minimum distance, signals take about 3 minutes. Maximum distance, over 22 minutes. Replies take just as long. A full exchange can take nearly 4 to 5 minutes.
Engineers always speak to the past.
Archive transmission received. We are proceeding to the next waypoint as instructed.
Real-time control is impossible.
No live steering, no instant fixes. Imagine a rover facing a sudden obstacle.
On Earth, you'd steer instantly.
On Mars, you cannot.
Images take minutes to arrive.
Engineers study them carefully.
Then plan a safe response. Instructions travel back across space.
Minutes pass before Mars receives them.
This is why rovers move slowly.
Speed without feedback is dangerous.
Science fiction often ignores this delay.
So that summarizes the quarterly reports.
Right. Well, I was just gonna say, I think we should.
Yes, let's circle back on that later.
You'd wait 20 minutes for a reply.
The problem is the alignment. They just seem to drift apart.
If we overlap the tracks, we might lose the synchronization entirely.
I can't hear what you're saying over the other voices.
Yeah.
Emotional timing would break down. This challenges future human missions.
Mars feels close, yet deeply isolated.
Spacecraft must think for themselves.
Rovers carry onboard intelligence.
They make small decisions independently.
Engineers send goals, not joystick commands.
Drive here. Analyze that rock.
How it happens is up to the rover.
Autonomy is not optional.
It exists because of delay.
Sometimes communication gets even worse.
Every 2 years, solar conjunction occurs.
The sun interferes with radio signals.
Commands risk corruption.
So communication is minimized.
Spacecraft follow preloaded instructions.
Mars becomes temporarily unreachable.
Signal delay shapes mission design.
It limits speed, risk, and complexity.
That's why Ingenuity flies autonomously.
No human could pilot it remotely. Commands would arrive too late. The flight would already be over.
Engineers must trust machines.
Trust built through testing and design.
Delay forces careful planning.
Every move is deliberate.
So how long does a signal take?
Depending on planetary positions. That delay reveals a deeper truth.
Space does not bend to convenience.
So it's after your victim are just suffering one of these curves you make.
Technology still obeys physics.
Mars may look close in the sky. Communication shows how far it truly is. Every signal crosses millions of empty miles.
At the fastest speed nature allows.
When it arrives, it's more than data.
It's connection across cosmic distance.
Proof that we are still reaching out.
And that Mars is answering back.
One delayed signal at a time.
Signal delay also affect how data is sent back.
Images arrive long after they were captured.
Scientists always study Mars in the past.
Every photo is a memory, not a live view.
That delay changes scientific decision-making.
Discoveries cannot be reacted to instantly.
Plans must anticipate the unexpected.
Engineers think days ahead, not seconds.
This makes Mars missions slow by design.
But slow also means safer.
Every command is reviewed carefully.
Because mistakes take minutes to correct.
Sometimes they cannot be corrected at all.
This is why Mars missions are conservative.
Risk grows with distance and delay.
Communication shapes rover daily schedules.
Each Martian day is carefully scripted.
Yet Mars rarely follows the script.
Dust storms can block signals.
Weak signals struggle through interference.
Antennas must work perfectly.
Earth uses massive radio telescopes.
Together, they bridge the void. The deep space network never sleeps. Even then, bandwidth is limited.
Mars cannot stream video like Earth.
Data must be compressed and prioritized. Science competes with engineering for bandwidth.
Every bit is precious.
Some data waits days to be sent. Patience is built into exploration.
Humans are not wired for this delay.
Our instincts expect immediate response.
Mars demands a different mindset. Future astronauts will face this too. Conversations with Earth will feel distant.
Emotional support will arrive late.
Decisions must be made locally.
Mars crews will be more autonomous.
This changes how missions are trained. Delay reshapes leadership in space.
Command hierarchy flattening.
Earth becomes advisor, not controller. Mars becomes its own decision center.
All because of light speed limits.
Physics sets the ultimate boundary.
No technology can outrun light.
That reality keeps Mars distant. Even as technology improves.
Faster computers cannot shrink distance.
Stronger radios cannot beat physics.
Only patience bridges the gap.
Every Mars mission accepts this truth.
Delay is not a flaw.
It is a condition of the universe.
Understanding it enables success.
Ignoring it invites failure. Mars teaches humility.
It reminds us how far we've traveled.
And how far we still are. Each signal is an act of trust.
Trust that it will arrive.
Trust that someone is listening.
And that understanding will follow.
Mars never answers instantly.
But it does answer.
Slowly, patiently, reliably.
One light-speed message at a time.
That is how we talk a talk across planets.
Across silence, distance, and time.
This is the cost of reaching Mars.
And the price we willingly pay.
Because Mars is worth waiting for.
Even when answers arrive late.
The universe still answers back.
Not instantly, but faithfully. That delay defines interplanetary life.
And shapes humanity's future beyond Earth.
One slow conversation at a time.
Slow communication forces patience into exploration.
Patience becomes a technical requirement.
Mars missions are planned around waiting.
Waiting for the data.
Waiting for confirmation.
Waiting for Mars to respond.
Every delay is carefully calculated.
Engineers predict delays months in advance.
Communication windows are precious. Miss one, and hours are lost.
Sometimes days.
Sometimes weeks during solar conjunction.
During conjunction, Mars goes quiet.
Spacecraft continue working alone. Following instructions sent long ago. Trust replaces constant supervision. This trust is earned through testing. Thousands of simulated delays.
Engineers practice waiting.
Practicing restraint.
Because reacting too fast can be dangerous.
Mars rewards calm decision-making.
Delay encourages careful science.
Each hypothesis is double-checked.
Rushed conclusions are avoided.
Mars Explorations ist Prinz der Deutsche by name.
Even discoveries unfold slowly.
A new rock formation appears.
Its significance understood days later.
Distance stretches understanding over time.
This shapes how stories from Mars are told.
There are no live broadcasts from Mars.
Only delayed windows into another world.
Each image arrives already historic.
Each sound already belongs to the past.
Mars is experienced through time travel.
See what Mars was. Not what it is right now.
This changes our relationship with the planet.
Mars feels distant, yet intimate.
Close through data.
We found it.
Future missions must accept this duality.
Human explorers will feel it deeply.
We miss you so much out here, James. Come home soon.
News from home arrives late.
Celebrations and emergencies alike.
Mars crews must rely on each other.
Communicational delay builds independence and resilience. Mars forces maturity on exploration.
There is no rushing the universe.
Speed has limits written into physics.
Light itself sets the pace.
Everything else must wait.
This is not a weakness.
It is a reminder of scale.
A reminder of humility.
Mars teaches us patience
And respect for distance.
Each signal crosses empty space alone. No faster route. Only persistence.
that persistence connects worlds.
Across millions of miles.
Across time itself.
So how long does Mars take to answer?
As long as physics demands.
And no shorter.
Three minutes at best.
"22 minutes at worst."
Welcome back to the studio. Today we are discussing the recent changes in the market and what they mean for you.
Always precise.
Always reliable.
This is how planets speak. Slowly.
Just like the tide, everything has a rhythm. We just need to wait patiently for the right moment.
Honestly.
One light speed message at a time.
That is our conversation with Mars.
And the rhythm of interplanetary life.